Students, today we will study about what is a rational number. We all know the counting numbers which we have studied in our nursery classes 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are all what? Natural numbers. When we add a 0 to the set of natural numbers, it becomes what? Whole numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by capital N and whole numbers are denoted by W, capital W. When we add to set of whole numbers, negative numbers, minus, like we have added -4, 3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. These are what? Integers. This means positive numbers, negative numbers with a 0 set a form of. When negative numbers are added to set of whole numbers like -4, -3, -2, 1, it positive numbers 0, it becomes what? Integers. That means integer are set of negative numbers, positive numbers and a 0. They are represented by I or Z. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Now the question is, are there more numbers lying between two integers? Like let us take an example of 0 and 1. Numbers lying between 0 and 1. So there are two kind of numbers which lie between 0 and 1. The one is fractions and decimal. Between all numbers, all integers lie many numbers. So fractions like 0 and 1 we are talking. So we are taking example. All proper fractions have value less than 1. You all know that. So 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 7. They all are fractions. Now if we talk about decimals, 0.2, 0.8, 0.7. This all is what? Decimals. These all fractions and decimals are the numbers which lie between two integers, and these rational numbers are denoted by capital Q. So set of integers, decimals, fractions, these are all called what? Rational numbers. Now you can see this diagram. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. When we add a 0 to it, becomes whole numbers. When we add negative numbers to it, -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on, it becomes set of what? Integers. And when to set of integers, fractions and decimals are added, it becomes what? Rational numbers. It is a bigger concept than integers and now any number that can be expressed in the form P upon Q is called a rational number. Now here the important point to be noted is P should be an integer and Q should also be an integer, but Q should not be equal to 0. Should not be equal to 0, though 0 is also an integer, but because division by 0 is not defined, so Q should never be equal to 0. So 5 upon 9 minus 8 upon 11 are all rational numbers. Now the question arises, is 7 a rational number? Because it is looking that it's not having any Q. But every integer which is like whole number, only numerator you are able to see, 1 is the hidden denominator. So 7 is a rational number. The second is 3.5. Is 3.5 a rational number? So 3.5 can be put in P upon Q form, 35 upon 10 if you put it in fraction, and if you bring it to the lowest term, it becomes 7 upon 2. So 3.5 is also a rational numbers. So once again I sum up that set of integers, decimal numbers, fractions are all rational numbers, come under the category of rational numbers.